Hello. Welcome back to another video. If you don't like burping, smacking, or moaning, girl, you got to go. Hello. How are my cutie cues doing today? I miss you so much. Today we are having a big burrito, the size of a newborn baby, from Moe'S. This came from Moe'S, you guys. I like these burritos better than Chipotle burritos. They are so good. The Homewrecker, you guys have got to try it. I also have some water here, and I have some salsa that I had in my refrigerator, and I made it a little bit spicy, just added some hot sauce to it. And I'm ready to dig in. I am super hungry. I'm ready to go, you guys. I am so hungry. That is so bomb. So I'm gonna leave what I put on this in the description box, you guys, because I cannot tell you right now. Look how big this is. Oh my gosh. You want a bite? You want a bite? Here. That is so good, you guys. So good. It has chicken in it, lime rice, cilantro, pinto beans, bacon, Chipotle ranch, I think. Like I said, I'm gonna put it in the description box. So good. You want another bite? So, mental check, you guys. How are you guys doing today? How are you guys feeling today? When you go check the description box and see what I put on it, and if you like everything on the list, you need to get this burrito as soon as possible. It is so good. I'm not feeling good, you guys. It got pickled jalapenos on it. And it's so good. Yes, today is a sad day for our family. My sister's dog, the family dog, passed away today. And my sister called me. Called me this morning. Crying. I'm just really sad. And if you never had a pet, you wouldn't understand how that's sad. Pets are like family. You take care of them. You love them. They love you. Like they've been around for years. So sad. So, you guys, I'm gonna see if I can take a really big bite. I'm gonna see if I can do it. You guys ready? Okay. Excuse me, that was a baby burp. All right, you ready? Big bite, here we go. I'm telling you, if you eating burritos and you ain't taking big bites, you gotta get it together. You gotta get it together, honey. Oh, I'm not kidding. So, R.I.P. to Lola, the family pet. She was so sweet, you guys. Oh my God. That's why I love animals. They have feelings, they have emotions, they feel your pain, they're empaths, they're just amazing. I remember one day, like a couple years ago, I was crying. This is like when my sister had first got Lola. Lola, I think she was 6. I'm not sure. Well, maybe it wasn't when she first got her. Lola was probably like 2. And I think she was 6 or 7. But anyway, I remember one day I was crying so hard. And Lola, she heard me crying. And she jumped up on me, on my chest, and she was trying to lick my tears. I don't like dogs or cats or anything licking me in my face or anything like that. So I didn't let her do it, but she was just like trying to comfort me and trying to lick my tears. And like if she could talk, I know she would just be like, what's the matter? Everything's gonna be okay. She was so sweet. The sweetest dog ever. Sweetest dog ever. Excuse me. She was so cute. She was a little Yorkie. So cute. One chip. I miss Lola. So sad. She had kidney failure. And she died on the way to get surgery. Sweetest dog ever. So that's how I'm feeling today, you guys. And that's what I love about animals. They don't care how you look. They don't care if you got one leg, two legs, one eye, two eyes. If your breath stink, if you stink, they don't care. They love you for who you are. Unconditional love. We could actually learn a lot from animals. As people, we definitely could learn a lot. And always full of energy. She has so much energy. She was never chill unless she was tired. This burrito is better than any Chipotle burrito in my opinion. So good. So, my sister's having a hard time with the news of her first baby. Animals are literally like family. Especially if you love them and treat them like family. Some people get animals and don't treat them right. Excuse me. Which one? Which one? The chip or this? The chip or this? The chip or this? The chip, the chip. I think for this last bite, put some of that on there. So good. You guys. Burritos are so good. So good. I didn't want any queso. So, I also want to say happy birthday to KC Connection, just had a birthday. Life with Kim B just had a birthday. And today is Mandy from Muslim Marriage's birthday. So happy birthday, girl. Today is your birthday. And happy birthday to everybody. Well, I said happy birthday to the other ladies, but happy birthday to Mandy. Go show her some love, you guys. Today's her birthday. So, y'all know I ain't gonna eat these chips. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching me today. Please keep the family in your prayers as we grieve the loss of Lola. My sister is having a really hard time with it. But, yes, please keep us in your prayers. Today's word is unconditional love. So let's think about what unconditional love means. And let's spread more love, more light, and make our world a better place with just a little bit more love. Ooh. Sorry I didn't have better burps today. My burp game was weak, real weak today. But that's okay. We're going to come back strong tomorrow. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching me and tuning in with me once again for another video. Let's ponder on the word unconditional love. Let's continue to spread love, spread light. A little bit of positivity goes a long way. And do something to brighten someone's day today. Be selfless today. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video.